Well, here we are again. You hear that squishing noise? That's my sandals being wet. I just watered the garden in sandals. Is not really a great gardening choice of footwear, but I still just trying to attack the weeds. But it's cool seeing your garden growing and actually producing. We've tried here a few times without having a fence around it, and the turkeys and deer and everything else get in there and eat it all when everything starts flowering, so you never get anything. But having the fence around is definitely the ticket, which we knew, but just finally got it done. This morning we took the jet skis out to Ponderay. First time I've been out on that water with the jet skis. Monstrous lake. There's some footage here and a little bit of me talking about Bayview and whatnot, so hope you enjoy it. Have a good one. A lot bigger lake today. A lot bigger than Spirit Lake, that's for darn sure. Like it said, it's like the largest lake in Idaho or something. How's it going? We're brought the jet skis out to Lake Ponderay. Just cruising around in Bayview, checking it out. Kind of looking for some beaches to hang out on or whatnot. Obviously this weekend, 4th of July, it's going to be a little packed, so hard to find a spot, but somebody on a sailboat waving at me. I don't know if I know him or not. Alright, well, pretty cool over here. The water is colder, windier. Big amount of water out there. It's a huge body of water. Alright. Well, hope you're enjoying the videos.